Welcome back to AI News, where I read the news so you don't have to. This one, I think, has got a really interesting use case for it that I'm going to drop at the end, but let me tell you about it first. This is Panohead. Geometry aware 3D full head synthesis in 360. Basically, what this does, you can take one picture and it will create a 3D model of the head based on one picture. It'll figure out what you probably look like all the way around. Here's an example of it doing it with Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. Now, I'm not quite sure how this works. I will read the abstract with it in a second, but it looks like it's trying to find pictures that match up similarly with the face that it knows the full rotation of, and then sort of like blending them together. Now we can see here, this really doesn't look like his head shape. There's a weird little bumpy thing going on at the back. But if we didn't know what he looked like already, we'd probably be quite impressed with that. It's a weird one to use because we all know he's got a very distinct head shape, and it's not that. But I don't know if anyone's head shape is that. But anyway, it's not the point. So the abstract is: synthesis and reconstruction of 3D human head has gained increasing interest in computer vision and computer graphics recently. Existing state-of-the-art 3D generative adversarial network scans for 3D human head synthesis are either limited to near-frontal views or hard to preserve 3D consistency in large view angles. We propose Panohead, the first 3D aware generative model that enables high quality view consistent image synthesis of full heads in 3D. This is going to get a lot. I'm not going to read the whole thing of this. But yeah, basically being able to take one picture and creating realistic 3D avatars. Some of the stuff they're talking about being able to use it for, because there is a video where they discuss it a little bit more, is being able to change backgrounds. So you can change backgrounds and have that 3D model. Hairstyles. You can try new hairstyles and look at what you look like all the way around, unless it makes like a picture of your head the same shape as that, and then it wouldn't really work. But what I think this would be really cool for is, imagine you're playing a computer game, right, and you can just take a photo of your face and then you can be in the computer game. It creates a 3D model of your head just from a photo, and then you are in the computer game. Or, wait for it, a movie. Imagine if you're watching a movie, you could take a photo and then you become the main character of the movie. How amazing would that be? I think that would be really cool. Can you guys think of any use cases of this in a business sense, in a customer experience sense? How could we use this to improve customer experience? I can't think of one right now, but I will think of it. But if you can think of it, let me know in the comments, and tune in next time for another episode of AI News.